Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. First, I want to say I am so sorry for not posting as much as I should have last week with Thanksgiving. I honestly am going to be just telling you what's going on. Gabe has been sick back to back and I just did not have the energy to do it. He has been having issues with ear infections, so we have just been like riding that train, and he has not been sleeping at night. So when he sleeps during the day, I sleep during the day. So I just did not have the energy to post, but we're gonna make up for that now. So we are gonna start with posting sugar cookies. I am gonna show you how to make the dough, and we're gonna make one dough and make two cookies out of it. Basically, one's just gonna stay a sugar butter cookie situation, and those we're gonna make into melted snowman, and the other one we're gonna make into lemon cookies, and they're gonna be delicious and wonderful and like the perfect start to your holiday season. Also, don't mind the mess here. Gabe takes everything down from below, so I have to like shift everything up, and then at the end of the day when he's asleep, I put it back down. So anyways, I apologize and I hope you guys enjoy.